Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fun mechanical engineering project. Building a combination lock safe, entirely out of cardboard. That's right, no metal, no fancy tools, just cardboard, a bit of glue, and a dash of ingenuity. This project is a fantastic way to learn about how combination locks work, while getting your hands dirty with some crafting. So, what do you need? Gather your materials: plenty of sturdy cardboard, a glue gun, scissors or a craft knife, a ruler, a pencil, and some small dowels or straws. These will serve as axles and the core components of our tumbler mechanism. Also, think about what you want to store in your safe. This will dictate the size. Let's start with the box. Cut out 6 cardboard panels: the top, bottom, front, back, and 2 sides. Assemble these into a box shape, using your glue gun for strong bonds. Make sure your box is sturdy. This is where your valuables will be. Now, let's move on to the combination lock itself, the heart of our project. The core of a combination lock is a set of tumblers. These are rotating discs, each with a notch. When the correct combination is entered, the notches align, allowing a locking mechanism, a bolt in our case, to slide into the aligned notches and unlock the safe. To build the tumblers, cut out several cardboard discs. The number of discs will depend on how many numbers you want in your combination. Generally 3 or 4. Each disc should have a notch cut out of its edge. Carefully measure and cut the notch. Its size is critical for the lock to work properly. These notches are key. Next, create a spindle for each tumbler. This is where your dowels or straws come in. Attach each tumbler disc to its own spindle. These spindles need to rotate freely within the safe's body. Make sure the spindles are firmly mounted within the safe. Now, build the locking bolt. This is a simple rectangular piece of cardboard that will slide in and out, locking and unlocking the safe's door. This bolt is crucial for the mechanism's security, so be sure it moves smoothly. Let's integrate the tumblers, bolt, and a dial to enter your combination. Attach the dial to the first spindle, usually the outermost one. As you turn the dial, the tumblers will rotate. The goal is to align the notches on all the tumblers, with each number of your combination. Now for the tricky part: setting your combination. Rotate the dial, noting which numbers align with the notch on each tumbler. The alignment needs to occur sequentially. Let's say your combination is October 20th 30. Start by turning the dial to the right, past 10, then back to 10. Then, turn the dial to the left, past 20, then back to 20. Finally, turn it to the right and align on 30. This ensures all notches are aligned. Once the combination is set correctly, the bolt should slide into the aligned notches, unlocking the safe. Now, test your lock. Try entering the wrong numbers to make sure it doesn't open. Once you're confident, try the combination a few times, just to be sure. Finally, it's time to secure your valuables. Place them carefully inside the safe and close the door. Then, scramble the dial, and your safe is locked. You've successfully built a working combination locked safe out of cardboard. I hope you enjoyed this project. Remember to subscribe for more fun DIY projects.